Hi, my name is Malena Copeland, and I am your English teacher. Welcome to our class. We are going to have a wonderful semester this time around, and this class is called ESL 302. That means English as a second language. And as you can see in this document right here in front of you, it says that it is our course syllabus. A syllabus is a plan for a class. And the most important thing about this plan for our class is your ability to contact me, Malena. As you can see, one of the first things that I list in the syllabus is how to contact me, your instructor. My email is copeland_malena@sac.edu, and that's the best way to get in touch with me. Now, this class is not one of those classes where you have to spend a lot of money. The class is free, and there are no books, so everything is free. The only thing you will need is a good internet connection so that you can go onto our Canvas page. The Canvas application is something that you can find on the internet if you're on the computer, or it's an app that you can download on your phone. And when they ask you what school, you just select Santa Ana College. And so instead of having to buy an expensive book, everything will be for free for our class. Now, sometimes technology can be a little bit scary, but don't worry. I have patience, and I want you to have patience too. You can contact me for help, but I have a lot of videos that are linked to our class on Canvas that can also help you figure out what you need to do. In addition, there's a board called the General Course Question Discussion, where you can list any questions you might have, and you can also help answer other students' questions. And I will be monitoring this page as well so that I can answer your questions there too. The rest of the syllabus that you will be able to find on Canvas, and also I will be sending to you, lists all the things that we will be studying and our policies for the class, like the attendance policy and how long you should spend studying. That's important to know. And then in addition to that, there are some tips for you to do well in this class, like participate, do your work. That's the #1 thing that's going to help you to do well in this class. And then also things like accommodations. Accommodations is extra help if you have any kind of accessibility issue where maybe you can't see very well or you can't hear very well. There's an office that can help you with that, and the information is right there on the syllabus. In addition to that, the syllabus lists our academic policy, our academic honesty policy, and information about student services and grading, in addition to a couple of important links that can help you answer any questions you might need. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to a wonderful semester with you. Bye-bye.